What's up you guys, welcome back on our quick how-to. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete history of Facebook Reels. Now first up, you're going to log in your Facebook, click your own profile like on the left side, and then you will be rerouted there and see the 3 lines button. Click that. Now with the choices, finally click the activity log. Click the first option that says videos you've watched, and that you will be rerouted to all the reels or videos that you have recently watched. As you can see, as we scroll down here, those are the reels or the videos that you have watched. But to delete all of that, you have to click clear video watch history, that's in the right. Finally, say clear video watch history. If you have a long list of watched reels history, give it a few seconds to delete all of those or to clear them out. Then finally click refresh or the home button, and now your watch reels history is cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. See you on our next one.